parents and students, what you need to do to Zoom on your iPad is swipe down between any of the buttons, the rows of buttons, to search for Zoom. You can see I've done it. If you don't see the blue box with the white video camera icon, you're missing your application, your app. I have mine installed already, but let's say I didn't. I would want to cancel that and go to the app called Self-Service. It looks like that. Self-Service is like the App Store, but for Keller ISD. It looks like this. And in Self-Service, you should have Zoom. There is Zoom. Now mine says reinstall, so I really already have it. But if I were to tap that, it would kind of do that little circle thing. It would kind of install just like you're used to with your app store. And then eventually, depending on your Wi-Fi speed and the size of the app, would appear somewhere here on your screen of apps. So now that I have my Zoom app, I can launch it.